How to make a full screen video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a full screen video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your CapCut. So open up your CapCut, make sure that your app is up to date to the latest version and just open it up. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. Now start a project, or you can just import a new video to your project. So just open that up, and after you open that up, depending on what you need or what type of full screen you need, you will need to select that video. After you select that video, you can scroll until you find an option to adjust your screen. You will get an option right here, so let me just find that. So right here you should see an option that says resize. So tap on the resize button. Let me show you how I went there again. Find the option that says transform. Make sure that the video is selected. Tap on transform, and then tap on resize. Now right here, make sure that you choose 9:16. 9 is the 16 option. If your video is like this, or longer version, that should fit on your phone, and make sure that you zoom in so that it fits. If your video is required to be on this shape, you will need to choose 9:16. If you want it to be on the horizontal side, this is what you'll need to do. You'll need to choose the 16:9 ratio. Now let me show that to you guys in another way or in another video. So I'll choose this one right here. Now if this is the video in your case, you will need to head over to transform again, tap on resize, and right here, if you want the 9:16 ratio, make sure that you select that. And then you will be able to adjust the sections here. If that's not the case, you can just select the 16:9 video. Now, there are other ratios depending on your phone screen or your screen size. You can choose the ratio and then simply select that. And that's basically how you make a full screen video in CapCut. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.